Greetings, humans. I'm Andy, and I'm George, and this is Couscous, and welcome back to the Windmill Full of Corpses. Orbit Culture. So this song is about the beginning to For Whom the Bell Tolls by Metallica. And the title is Dom. No, that's not the title. The title is Sound of the Bell. That's what it's about.
Potato, potato.
It's also about the beginning to Hell's Bells by AC/DC. I am so adding those snippets in the edit. It's also just the sound of every church ever. Yes, including the ones that are so modernized that don't have actual bells but just play bell sounds off of speakers. I've actually seen that in some churches. It's pretty pathetic. Priests do better. I'm not very fond of priests. I'm more fond of Nurgle. Nurgle? Yes, and Beelzebubs. Especially Beelzebubs. Yes. Hey, wait, no. Okay. Atmosphericism.
My
I did not even realize how 8 minutes got by. That was really gripping. Yeah, and grim. Gripping, grim, grimping. Might as well go for grinching at that. Okay. Wow. It was dark. They still go on the world issues theme. I think that's what they're doing for this EP. Yeah, specifically like war stuff. Like this one feels like a requiem. There were a few lyrics that really struck me. Mm-hmm. This thing with like, he talks of life, he talks of freedom, he talks of immortality, sort of, or I don't remember what he said. And then the counter to that was that there's no freedom or life coming. Like, he, I think, is like a leader that drives a nation into war or something like that. And then right after he talks of life, he talks of freedom, it said something about forgetting about the children or something like that. And then later on it said a boy in the Kevlar strikes again, which is the kid with a shotgun going to war. Oh. Yeah, I don't know what Kevlar is, so I didn't... I think it's... I don't remember for sure what Kevlar is. It's either something anti-fire or something in bulletproof vests. Okay. Yeah. That was really sinister. And then you also have the overlay in the video with like images of war and death and scorched trees and stuff like that. And then they'll just put the atmospheric bit and you see somebody relaxed walking through a field, right? Yeah. So it's like that contrast again that makes it all so tragic. Ugh. Guys, y'all made us sad again. I like how sad. Yes, I like how sad. I like how they can make a song brutal, but not make it a song that you're engaged in. Like most of the songs, when a riff hits, you want to headbang. Yeah. When a blast hits, you want to go mental. This one rather feels like something you're observing. Like hell is breaking loose and you're just possessed by the horror of it. Yeah. I also like that because it being a long song, they also had the time to put the atmospheric break in the middle that they typically do. They made that longer. Yeah. So usually when I'm listening to Orbit Culture at this point and an atmospheric break comes in, I'm just anticipating the build-up. Yeah. Like the atmospheric break kicks in and I'm like, okay, let's go, right? Yeah. But this time it just really immerses you in that atmosphere. And then when it starts building back into the heavy stuff, it does that gradually. Like maybe you can spot a moment or two where it feels like it punched in back to riffs, but it's still kind of like, it's got a step, but then it just keeps growing gradually. The moment where it really punched for me was where the machine guns came, both on the drums and in the video. Yeah. That was the most striking moment. Yeah. And there was also an explosive moment synchronized with a gunshot. Yeah. So we don't have to put explosions in this video because they put them for us again. Yes. I did put explosions in the last one though. They couldn't stop me. Whatever you say, bro. So, yeah. So I think the sound of the bell refers to like the death bell. Yeah. Yeah. Or it could be like the call to war. Regardless of what it is, it's... I like how they treated this topic. I like how hypnotic they made the song. I'm done. Me too. So if you enjoyed this reaction, we greatly appreciate the likes and shares. And if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. With bells on. Thank you very much for stopping by. We hope you enjoy your stay and we'd love to see you back at the Windmill very soon. Corpse is out.